Okay, now we're going to talk about checking your weed wiper for even distribution on every one of these sponge sections. This particular unit is our 15-foot ATV mount unit, so there's 6 sponges going across here. So we recommend everybody doing this when you first set up your weed wiper. We're going to test for even distribution. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take a garden hose and get these sponges good and wet. We've done that already, and then you hook up to your pump. We want you to run just straight water because we're going to do a water test, okay? And what we're watching for is even distribution on every sponge. And in this case, I have 2 sponges here that you're going to see aren't getting the even distribution, and it's because of the these little elbow barbs that we talked about in the last video. If you have a elbow fitting in your PVC center section like this that is blocked, you're going to have this. We're going to talk about how to change that out. But this is a test to do if you've already set up your weed wiper and you're doing a pressure test all the way through. And we're going to turn on the pump right now, and I'll show you what it's going to look like. So go ahead and turn on the pump. All right, so I've gotten these sponges wet. So you'll notice the pump cycling on and off, which is normal. But now, if you look here, this sponge, that one right there, this sponge is getting great feed. It's all even all across. Now look at the difference between this sponge and this sponge, okay? It's obvious that we're not getting feed here. Even on this one on the end, you'll notice it's not getting a constant flow like this one is. So, in this case, we know that the cause of that is this elbow fitting. We're going to show you in the next video how to change that out. However, if you know you don't have an issue and you're still getting uneven distribution, it could be that one of your lines going out is blocked or kinked. So that's something you always want to test first. But as long as you have even flow, you will be able to determine which of your sponges need to be fixed in this recall that we're doing. And these are for weed wipers purchased from October of 2019 up until May 1st, 2020. Thanks for watching the video. We'll go to the next section and talk about how to change out this fitting inside of your weed wiper.